The Rift Valley region has resolved resonates with what the teachers of Kenya want, the CBA to be implemented 1st of July, and not just implemented, negotiated quality CBA that will see classroom teachers and reasonable salary compensation more than the previous one, because a job evaluation is demanded and we have seen it's being done. That work must be finished as soon as possible so that we can put ink on paper. And the checkoff is a right. A democratic government of Kenya in 2021, in 21st century, cannot engage in the anti-union actions that we are seeing. Money and union dues connect a member with the union. And that is where they derive representation under Chapter 4, Bill of Rights.
We have made a resolution today that as the largest region in this country, we are solidly behind one Secretary General, Bwana Wilson Sossion. And we are going to support him again to reclaim and regain the seat of the Secretary General come elections anytime this year.
By July, walimu wapate pesa. Secondly, mumeona hata nyinyi watu wa press mumeona. Walimu wako nat. We have done elections all over. Na walimu wanafika kwa wingi kuonyesha kwamba wanapenda chama chao. KNUT will not die. Take it from us. We will hand over when that time comes a live union. Hiyo ni wazi. Sossion amefanya kazi kubwa. Kama ana maadui si kwa sababu ya kwake. Ni kwa sababu ya kutetea maslahi ya walimu wa Kenya. There is nothing personal. Na kama alisaliwa sura ile akipresent kitu hawezi smile, si tumeumbwa kivyetu tu. Sasa hiyo nani atalazimisha?